5 hours later. Guys, just felt like it was a million days. What happened? Why do I keep getting like dreams that I'm just like getting beat up by these animals? Wait a minute. What's this? There's a teeny invisible note here that says, use to protect yourself from animals. Hold on, guys. I'm going to try this on. So just be a black one. I'm super protective. See? You don't know my secret identity. Let's go defeat this animal that keeps beating me. Hey, you! Wait. Hey, you! What? You're gonna pay what you did for me. Okay, just press my button. Never die! Yes! Okay. Now let me see if Elsa's okay. Are you okay, Elsa? Yeah. What did I do that was bad? If I hurt you, I'm sorry. Anna? Sorry too. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. Then you. Hello, Sheriff. What happened? You about killed me. I'm sorry for any damage. It's fine. Bye. Okay, guys. So that was the final part of my Animal Spectacular. I think that will be the end for about a month or a few weeks. But see you in a few weeks. Goodbye. Yes, don't forget to look at the back street.